Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Google Authenticator for Gmail sign-in security. Complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail sign-in page. Enter your email address and click Next. Input your password and select Next again. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Manage your Google account. In the left menu, click on Security. Scroll down to the Signing into Google section. Click on Two-Step Verification. You may need to sign in again for security purposes. On the two-step verification page, click Get Started. Follow the prompts to set up your phone number for verification. After entering your phone number, select whether to receive codes via text message or a phone call. Click Send to receive a verification code. Enter the code you received and click Next to verify your number. Once verified, scroll down to find the Authenticator app section. Click on Setup next to Authenticator app, select your device type, either Android or iPhone, then click Next. If you don't have the app, download it from your device's app store. Once installed, tap on Begin Setup. You will have the option to scan a QR code or enter a setup key manually. On your computer, you will see a QR code. Scan this QR code using the Google Authenticator app. If you choose to enter a setup key, type in the key displayed on your screen instead. After scanning the QR code or entering the key, the app will generate a verification code. Enter this code back into the Gmail setup page and click Verify. Once verified, you'll receive confirmation that Google Authenticator is set up. From now on, every time you sign in to Gmail, you'll need a verification code from the app. Ensure your phone is always accessible for secure sign-ins. You have successfully activated Google Authenticator for your Gmail sign-in security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.